Hey guys, it's Realize. Today we're back with another video for the Awesome Girls. And if you can see, it's been snowing really bad today. The street is flooded and the pond is almost over flooded. The streets are wet and there's a flood right there. As you can see, the flood is heading straight into the Casey's parking lot. We come down here. Wow! Oh my goodness! There's a kid out here riding on the bike. I'm gonna go check that. Okay guys, so we're going down the stairs. I don't know why Jemima wants to go down the stairs so bad. But I'm coming, Jemima. Wait for me, I have no shoes. Guys, so as you can tell now, there is a flood, and I am finna go back upstairs so I can show my dad this video. There's a car. It's coming this way, making a big old wave. Oh shoot! Make it way back and forth. Make it way back and forth. Is that the water car? That person has their window down. For no reason. Oh, that's another one. Okay guys, I gotta start the video. Bye.